Once upon a time, in a tiny village nestled amidst the mountains, there lived a young girl named Lily. She loved going to school where her teacher, Mrs. Thompson, made learning a magical experience. But one day, the clouds turned dark and heavy rain flooded the village. The school was badly damaged, and Mrs. Thompson had to leave due to family reasons. Lily felt a deep sadness as she missed her beloved teacher and the warm classroom. However, the villagers came together, rebuilding the school with love and care. They didn't want Lily's education to suffer. Soon, a new teacher, Mr. Davis, arrived. He was kind, but Lily missed Mrs. Thompson terribly. As time passed, Lily and Mr. Davis found a special connection through their shared love for books and learning. Together, they created beautiful stories that celebrated Mrs. Thompson's memory. Through the sadness, Lily learned that change could bring new experiences and friendships. And in the end, she realized that learning wasn't just about one teacher, but the journey of discovery and growth that lasts a lifetime.